Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And in this video, I'm going to find out a shooting star candlesticks pattern which forms on a particular stock, right? Recently we on my last video I have discussed about IEX. It looks like a shooting star, right? But it was not finding by our candlestick scanner. The reason why, and here I'm going to create you the shooting star candlesticks pattern here on this video on live. Okay, so what are the conditions which we are using first? So once you know the condition, then only we are going to find out this is what a shooting star candle. So here, and this candle having a smaller body with red in color. So the negative day, and the lower wick is very small compared to the higher wick. So higher wick must be 3 times or 3.5 times more than the body of that candle, and the lower wick is smaller than the body of the candle. So that is what are the conditions. So what was the logic we are using this candle? So let me check it out. For example, if the candle is started here and it went to, for example, 100 rupees and it went to 110, so means the candle is full in green in color, right? The bullish candle. The same day, if market rejected from 110 and it is coming down to 98 or 96, whatever, and then it returned back again, it closed by 98, means 98 it closed and made a low of 96. So looks like a shooting star kind of candle. So what the logic here, this price of from 100 to 110 got increased quickly and all the price got rejected and it is coming down to closed by negative day. So maybe this area is a perfect rejection, price rejection. The price reject at that area. So maybe tomorrow if it is breaks down, the trend may continue. The rejection, price rejection may it continue. That is the reason we are finding out the shooting star. Let me check it out here. Here this is what same like a shooting star. So such a kind of opportunity. Let's look at this shooting star where it is forms at the top, and this day it broken the level, and let's see what was happening on this particular stock. So the rejection, and same like that hammer. That is why we are focusing hammer and shooting star having a good candle that will giving you such a great opportunity here. That is why I'm mainly focusing for the shooting star. But why it not happening on a EX, which I find out, right? So that I'm going to create you, and if you have any suggestion or idea, please comment on the comment box. Even I can know something, but I am going to create you the scanner you right now, the shooting star. And let's create first we will try that why it is not coming onto my scanner. Okay, futures, sorry. So futures I'm going to add, so the function of ABS. So we are going to make I and minus I minus open, that should be a wick, right? So the wick is must be greater than ABS. ABS is the max function, right? Open minus close, open minus close. So this is what the normal condition. So if you find out the wick, the body is 3 wick, body and the wick. Let me 𝐼RCTC. Oh, 𝐼RCTC looks good today. And we find this stock by few days back some candlesticks pattern. I think that is another shooting star here. It looks like a shooting star. We find out hand works better, and another shooting star. It continues the trend from the 684, and today it was works good. I think dividend. Okay, no problem. So this is what the condition to finding out the wick. So the wick should be, we are multiplying the wick compared to the body. It's number, normally we use 3.5, right? And a second thing, we'll go for ABS of close minus low, close minus low, and less than, it must be less than, the greater than and less than ABS is open minus close. So this is what the normal condition shooting star. Let me find out. GNFC we got a shooting star, but Sun TV also be a shooting star. Sun TV, let me check it out. Sun TV as a shooting star. Yes, it's a shooting star, but we always focus the shooting star must be forms at the topmost level or highest level. So that is why it's not available. So let me find out shooting star by talent address. Save the scan. If you want to find out the scan, shooting. So this is the name which I mentioned. It's a private scan, not a private. It is a public scan. You can search with the name by shooting star by talent traders. It will finding you will finding out. Let me check yesterday. I think yesterday not getting any right. So let me less the value. So we normally use 3.5. If I'm using a 3, Hindu Hotel, Gujarat Gas, Lara's Lab. So another two stocks I were added. Let me go for a Hindu Hotel. Hindu Hotel, yes. Yeah, it is also be a shooting star, which is forms at the highest level. Looks good. And another one is Lara's Lab. Let me go for a Lara's. Lara's Lab. That is also be a shooting star, right? So this is also looks good, and a Lara's Lab that is also forming a shooting star kind of candle. Okay, good. So we find another stock for tomorrow, like Lara's Lab and Hindu Hotel also be good. And Gujarat Gas, we GNFC, Gujarat GNFC also we find out for a stocks for a tomorrow, right? Okay. So this will find out. Let me reduce the number 2 times. Even more stock. Punjab National Idea Cellular. By I want to find that IEX why I missed out. Yes, I got it. So the wick is not greater than the body. So only 2 times if I got it, I got a IEX and Tata Power. Now I got it. So the conditions, whatever the condition you mention, this is what 2 times of the body. It is not more than 3.5 times. So 3 times are not more than. Let me calculate how the scanner will work. So each and every point on the scanner would be very important. So we are mentioning multiplied by that number into 2 IEX. We find out there is a great trade, but 2 times, but mostly 3 times is more than 3 times would be better for the trade, right? So that is the reason we cannot get IEX. That was I got confused, so that's why I create the scanner. This is a scanner. We can modify the number, and if you want to find out, that must be happen at a day high or a lowest level, so you can use some other conditions to find out. This is what a general scanner for a shooting star. So you can add additional conditions whatever you want. You can so you can change the shooting star candle, so by number 3.5 or 2 or 2.5, whatever you want, you can change the number and you can find out. So whatever the conditions you mentioned here, based on the conditions only, it will tell you what are the stocks which you are going to filter out. So that is the reason we find out. Got it now? So the 2 times, if you are mentioning 2 times yesterday, 3 times IEX will not come. So if you are using 2 times, let me find out IEX will be there. So the reason we are our calculation. But if you are 2 times, you had a lot of stocks and BNB lot more stock, right? But I am talking about 3 times and more is better than the higher than the week, so it would be best. And another conditions we can also add here. What we do, simply the open must be greater than the open price, the latest open, greater than, latest open greater than, latest open must be greater than close. we find very few, right? So all are red in color. Or if latest open less than the latest close, it may not be available. So this is what inverted hammer. So here we have to change the function here. So for inverter, that is a inverted hammer, the same kind of inverted hammer, we can convert this high minus open. So the low minus open, close minus high. So if you are making the changes, it will be finding out inverted hammer. Let me try high minus open. So here low minus open, high minus open, high minus open, the weak, right? Yeah, weak is greater than the open minus close. Number 3, open minus close, close minus open. Here should be the small changes, close minus open, and the lower weak, the latest low, close minus low, open minus low. Here not close minus low, it must be a open minus low. Open minus low is less than the open minus close or close minus open. So some conditions we are changing it, so that will find out a candle. So if you use this, maybe this is for a inverted hammer. India Bull Housing Finance. Let's look at I Bull Housing Finance. So yes, inverted hammer, right? Instead opposite to shooting star, but it is happening at topmost level. TVS motor. Let me go for a TVS motor. TVS motor. Looks like that. Perfect. Inverted hammer without lower wick. So maybe the reversal possible. So we will change that. I'm not saving it. So if we are using open less than the close, maybe open. Open is open is less than close means it will find out only green hammers. So yesterday what are the stocks? India Cement, rain. So let me go for India Cement. That was hammer, and it broken that level, but not broken lower level. It broken a higher level around 190, 204. So I hope this may be useful. So you can create your own scan, but I'm not saved yet. It will open for a shooting star. Oh, it became 2 times I have shared. I'll delete this one. So here you'll find out here this. Okay, that's for a shooting star candle. So you can use any conditions, add any multiple conditions, you can get it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or a doubt, you comment on the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel.